Hi Aries, welcome to your reading. Okay, I was about to say welcome to your personal reading. Maybe this will resonate with many of you. Okay, though these are timeless readings, but right from 5th July till 11th of July 2021. Sending you love all the way from India. Change of place a little bit. Hopefully that you all are doing well. Follow me on Insta, SSHELLS, Shells running. There is quick change in the scenario. Okay, first thing. You're going to focus on some things or decisions regarding business, relationship, property, freelancing, whatever you are doing or whatever your situation is right now. There's going to be change in the situation or scenario, as I said. There's also kind of word I'm picking, boing, like you got some idea, boing, or however it resonates with you. I also feel like you are feeling, or someone over here is feeling bored or uninterested. So maybe something is happening here, possible conversation is happening that someone is feeling bored, okay, or they're feeling that I'm not interested in that. Something is here dull, okay. Now dull may be something that you are going with the change and you are trying to figure out the energy in that, trying to figure out what I can do. Aries in this season are actually possible someone is unable to explain you, so possible this is kind of change in the scenario that is coming and you don't want to stop, but you really need to go with that also at the same time. I know it sometimes doesn't make sense, but that kind of energy is coming definitely. Something is boring, lingering on possible certain decision here, but you have to go with the flow. Like you can be swift bird, so you basically need to be like this in the scenario. So this may be some work decisions or certain conversation or person in particular, right? So this may be Knight of Pentacles. Wow. I just picked two cards one by one. Knight of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. So there may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Or this may be just a situation here that is taking long time. Like delayed conversation, or someone is not giving you answer and makes you feel like, ugh, when? Okay. So maybe you are more excited, but they want time. Maybe you're dealing with someone who is like more into and they need more time to know or open up basically. So if there is something happening, you really want to continue with this, you really want this pickup energy, but you're also getting a little bit of like, you know, but then again you have love because this was sticking behind, which means that you're in love with someone, you really care for them, and this kind of energy is so amazing but so not amazing. Like possible we should keep that it's amazing but not so excited, but then it's going to turn into exciting phase later on because there's patience that is needed to deal with the person. So if you're already with this person, then this is the situation where you really need to pull up a little bit and you really need to be like, you know, someone I'm just hearing that someone saying, oh, I got it, whatever you wanted to say, but the person is like, I never completed it. Okay, so dull conversation possible happening. At first go, it's like you just want to be so fast and you know, like this I can handle it, but the other energy is like, look, I need time. Like if you're asking whether this or this and you're excited about that, let's make dinner at home, and you're like, but I was excited. Okay, this kind of energy where you want to do a lot of stuff or however goes vice versa, but the energy overall is about the concepts of like things are going but not going as per you want, okay, or the pace you want basically. Interesting. It's interesting actually. You need patience. Many of you are learning in this time frame how to deal with your person, and because I feel like that kind of energy. But I don't know why. It's like you know that this is going to go ahead. It's something that you're not basically stopping or quitting. No, you're not giving up on this. It's something that you are going to, okay, fine, let's take time. And then I see a move here. Maybe they are just checking that. Maybe they're expecting something else from you first. Okay, like else from you, possible they want assurance. I mean, I was calling for assurance here, but possible this is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius here. Possible there are so many signs. Let's see where you're coming from. Very interesting. there's this interesting topic in your life with the person, okay? Judgment. You are giving, not letting the other energy know, or not letting yourself even know the chance, you know, let's fix it, or kind of like, let me try once again. You know, this kind of energy when you really want to try once again without judging. I also get this vibe of like, you should not judge the energy right now or right away, or this can go vice versa as well. But you people should not judge one another in just first go. I mean, there's a lot that you need to know, and for that you need to have patience as well. I mean, I'm telling you. The Hanged Man. The Hanged Man and the Judgment here. Very interesting combo. Why? Because it's trying to say that, honey, you need to see from the different perspective. Also, if it is like, again, you are trying something and possible this is like this time. So you're coming from a place where you thought of like, okay, fine, I'm out. But then you can't, because you stopped yourself and saw, or you're seeing. So this may be not so interested, dull, boring, but possible excitement is in the future. Give some time to one another. Three of Cups is coming in the possible present call. Maybe they are telling me to take this card out, but I'm going to take one more card. I have this feeling. Look, Wheel of Fortune. Time is going to change. They're going to open up. Maybe it's just the checking time. Now, I'm not saying that anyone should check the person. Of course, you may also do it. But I feel like this time when you're going to spend more time together, or just spend time with their friends, or involve them with yourself, like, you know, just go there, they're going to be more comfortable, and you're also in your future. I feel there's going to be race of talks, and I feel it's going to little bit fasten up like the swift bird. Knight of Swords. You'll get some idea how to make it more interesting, or someone will, but I feel it's you. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Possibly you're going to receive certain conversation or, you know, call from the person that you were thinking of. However, this is also, oh wow, this is the Lover's card was coming out from the deck, so this may be Gemini. But apart from that, this is about not right time to decide, okay, but talk, okay. Don't just get impatient here. Of course, whether they are with you, married, not married, living in, not living in, just dating, talking, whatever, new connection. Make right choices, you know, but don't be so pushy if you are. Like, your energy is like, you know, and you have so many questions you want to ask. And definitely in the future, you're going to end up asking that. But you are keeping that patience, I'm telling you that. You're doing it. What's beyond? I see Aquarians will be, sorry, oh, whoa, why did I say Aquarian? I just did my prior reading was of Leo. I'm going to do Aquarius reading after this, supposedly. Then why? Possible there's an Aquarian. Look, you have Lovers, so Gemini. Possible Aquarian as well, because you have Knight of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You have so many signs here. So Aries, you really need to come in as the energy of like more emotions. You need to show that to this person. Oh. I think they're seeking this, or this is what you need. But you are like, I need excitement. I can't be like this. Knight of Wands energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. It's kind of like your energy. But you need to know the other side. Look, relationship won't work unless and until you put in that kind of patience. And which is less. In every relationship, okay? If like one person is more patient, then it's going to like a little bit go ahead. But if both of you are impatient, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I think someone is in demand of emotional availability, you or they, because you really want to make this exciting, and something is boring, to be honest. Let's see from this spirit world what they're trying to say. My universe, Light Seers Tarot. Excitement, idea that you're going to work on to connect with this energy on a whole new level, especially after this Judgment and Hanged Man energy. You're reading this person. You're walking on a very fragile situation, or you're dealing with someone who is coming out of something. They had a drastic past, you know. Page of Swords, this may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. They're not ready to communicate that much on a deeper level the way you talk or you want. I'm telling you. So work on the idea. Something out of the box. Like do something that they never expected, okay? They're going to see. Because I see startling or someone is surprised in the future with the change possible. I'm going to use my own deck here. Someone is coming, I feel like, out from the zigzag and, you know, curiosity, confusion, breakup, heartache, something. Or you might be feeling zigzag with the person, you know. Please guess the card. What's coming in future? Okay, so 2 to 3 things. First, you're getting 2 cards actually. There's also air here. It's air written, which was Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in one go. But you have dry leaves, so you really need patience to deal with the situation. As I said, this may feel not so green. Someone or your situation is little dry, which might be passion is less, okay? How you take passion. I feel this as a heavy card. Yes, of course I was right. There are 2 cards connected. You have air. Whoa. Now listen, you have air, Knight of Swords. You also have Knight of Pentacles, like earth. Air and earth. I feel that they want that whatever you're having the conversation, you do something about it. And manifest it, basically. Do something about it. Because they possible, if it is just about this person, they might be having the thought of like possible past energy was an escapist. Okay, or someone is trying to escape this boredom or, you know, dull conversation or something. Now this may go with people, energies, okay, or someone is checking status, can't deny the fact. Umbrella, someone is protective or concerned about the person, or someone is feeling way emotional about the person. There's going to be rainfall, and this is uneasy energy on your part. I feel someone is uneasy. This may be you or they. Uneasy because for some cases, like dull, you know, something is boring and someone is finding out, and you're going to. Possible spirits are trying to say that read this person out if it is about person, read the documents out if you need to. Don't sign the document, just go and go, like, you know, by the end, and you need a microscope. No, magnifying glass, I'm sorry. But just to see the focus, alright? Take care, I love you, and see you soon. Bye.